Hi everyone, welcome back to Alika's Kitchen. Again, I'm your host, Lady M, and today we're going to be making two of my favorite dishes, grilled lamb and couscous. First, we're going to start off with the couscous. A lot of people kind of stay away from couscous because they don't know what to do with it. It's pretty simple to make. It's beautiful flavor. Here I have 1 cup of couscous that I pre-cooked according to the package instructions. I also have some chopped spinach, some chopped asparagus, some Greek spice with a little bit of white pepper, some chopped onion with garlic, chopped red bell pepper, chopped parsley with basil, chopped chives with a little bit of thyme. Again, the recipes for both these dishes will be in the description box. So let's get cooking. Hi everyone, welcome back. As you can see in my skillet, I have 3 tablespoons of olive oil and about 2 teaspoons of butter. I'm going to start with the fresh herbs, the aromatics, I like to call them. So I'm going to start with the ginger and garlic. I'm going to turn my heat up. Keep in mind that couscous takes on whatever flavor you add to it. Then I'm going to add my chives and my thyme, along with my basil and parsley. I'm going to saute that for a little bit. Then I'm going to come in with my red pepper. Oh, you should smell these flavors right now. To which I'm going to add my asparagus. I don't want my asparagus mushy. I want it with a little bit of bite. The spinach takes no time. I just want the spinach wilted a little bit before I add everything else. And as you can see, it's looking really nice in this pot right now. It smells really good in the kitchen. In the meantime, I'm going to turn on my grill. Now I could do this outside, meaning grill the lamb, but it's a little too hot, so I figure I'm just going to use my little grill pan inside. So now I can see that my asparagus is just the way I want it. I'm going to add my spinach. It's a good way too to get vegetables in your system. If you're not a vegetable lover, like some people will eat vegetables mixed with other things, but they won't eat it as is. So some kids are like that too. So this is a nice way to get quite a bit of vegetables in. So now that my spinach is wilted down a bit, I'm going to come in with my couscous. I'm going to lower my heat because, like I said, my couscous is already pre-cooked. And you can get a good 4 servings out of this 1 cup of couscous. It kind of yields, and with all the vegetables added, you want to break up any little lumps that you might have occurred while steaming your couscous. And lastly, I'm going to come with my dry spices. A little bit of Greek, a little bit of pepper, pinch of salt. You can add grilled chicken, like leftover grilled chicken to this. You can add shrimp to this. You can add scallop to this. You'll just have to add the the meat at the beginning when I added the fresh herbs, and then you add the couscous along. If the chicken's grilled, you can add it at the end, or you can just make it strictly vegetarian like I did here. Okay, I'm gonna taste this for salt. Salt's perfect. Taste is really good. So that's the couscous part of it. I'm gonna take this off the heat, and I'm gonna start with the lamb, and I'll come back and show you how to plate it. But let's go to lamb. Hi everyone, welcome back. And as I promised, we're gonna grill some lamb chops. So here I have about 8 lamb chops that I've pre-marinated the night before. Again, the recipe will be in the description box. So I'm gonna take these over to my stovetop grill because it's too hot outside, and I'm just gonna grill them. I like my lamb kind of medium rare. You can do yours well done. It all depends on how you like it. I like this type of chop because it's easy. I'm not gonna crowd my pan. And they roughly take about 3 minutes on each side on high heat. I'm looking for nice grill marks, so they're not there yet. So I'm gonna continue to grill these, finish cook them, and when I come back, I'll show you how to put this plate together. So see you in a bit. Hi everyone, welcome back, and here we have it, the finished product, my grilled lamb with couscous. Again, the recipe you'll find in the description box, and please try new things. Try this recipe, I'm sure you would like it. The vegetarians out there, just do the couscous the way I did it. And for the meat lovers, try lamb, or do it with chicken or shrimp. Just be open to new things, open your palate to new things. Keep safe, keep cooking, and until the next video, this is Lady M saying bon appetit, bye.